Ito na. Sui Play Zero X1. Yan. Ang sama ng loob ko dito. Pause na natin. Ito na, dumating na yung Sui Play Zero X1 ko. I got this or I ordered this from Sui website na August 2025. And for some reason, na-delay. And then, deliver siya last week. And ngayon ko pa lang siya buksan. Yan, later, pag-usapan natin kung bakit na-delay siya ng extra 2 months. Pag-usapan natin yan habang ina-unbox natin to. Actually, nagulat ako, dalawa sila. Ito yung una kong nakita. Akala ko, ito na yon. And then, ito, akala ko kung kanino to. Sa akin pala. And yan, this is, dalawa sila. Dumating from Sui. I think this is the case and this is the module or the console. So, tara, buksan na natin. Okay. Uy, dalawa. Play TomTok. Uy, TomTok? TomTok ang ano nila? Ang partner nila. By the way, TomTok is a bag brand. Meron ako. I think. Yeah. So, yung bag ko, by the way, TomTok yan. This is my everyday sling bag. Kapag all I want to bring is my wallet, my phone, and then my minimal items lang. So, this is 2.5 liters. If you're interested with this one, let me know. If you have questions, pa-reflex natin. And meron yan dyan sa may link sa baba. TomTok. Nice. And then, this is my second TomTok bag. Yung isa ko is a big sling bag or crossbody bag. I didn't know that TomTok is their partner sa case. So, oh! Ang laki niya, ah. Medyo, hindi ko lang kilala kung sino itong mga to. Designed by TomTok. YKK zippers ang ginamit ng TomTok. So, gamit nila is YKK. This is the best zipper brand in the entire world. And, trivia lang, this is a Filipino company. I think yung factory nila is nasa Bulacan ata. May padding dito. So, ito, ano to? Okay, I think magbe-make sense siya later pag buksan na natin yung console mismo. Ano to? Ano ba binili ko? So, I think this is a regular box. Pero, ang ganda, TomTok pa din. Oh! Ano to? Ano to? Okay. So, yeah, I think this is the original case. Kasi ito, ano to you need to buy it separately. Hindi naman need, pero they offer it separately. I don't know, so sabi ko it will be a limited edition. Kinuha ko na lang din. So that's, kalimutan ko na magkano yan. So ito ay, again, same lang din. Iba lang yung design sa top. And sa likod din. Oh, may design pala dito. Yeah. Society, no free lunch. Oh, nice. Okay. And then, I think this is the same exact thing. Same exact case. It is. So, this is TomTok Fancy Case G05. Nice. Ganda. Okay, later. Tingnan pa natin yan. And then, eto na nga. Buksan na natin tong console. No? Actually, ang sama-sama ng loob ko dito. Kasi, ayokong gumagastos ng unnecessary. Okay? I mean, if it's luho, but intentional, okay lang sa akin yun. Pero, yung intentional na unnecessary expenses, pass tayo dyan, no? So, ganito na nangyari. This is around, magkano ba bili ko dito? Mga 35,000. 35,000 plus yung case, plus shipping. Tapos, edi eto na. Edi, okay, bayad. Pak. December, January. Okay, January, they're ready to ship it na daw. Ngayon, for them to send it, sabi nila may tax and duties daw na $190. So how much is that? 190 USD. So sabihin natin 11.5. Bumili ka ng 35,000 pesos na nagamit. Then yung tax and duties is 11,500. Ang ginawa ko, sabi ko, okay, so saan ba manggagaling yung package? Kasi um, I can send it to a forwarder, then mas mabilis, mas mura doon. So, sabi nila Hong Kong daw. Eh, sakto. Sabi ko, sakto, nasa Hong Kong ako ng Feb. Just keep it and padala nyo na lang dun sa hotel ko sa Hong Kong. So, para wala nang tax and duties. Kasi I'll be there anyway. 11,500. Sayang din yun. Ano yun? Dalawang SHF din yun or ano ba? Kalahating Hot Toys. So, bago kami pumuntang Hong Kong, pinabago ko na yung address. Sabi nila, they will be delivered right away pagkabago ko ng address. And then, eto na. So, 1 week kami sa Hong Kong. Hanggang sa almost pauwi na kami. Sabi ko, you know what? I think hindi na ito dadating bukas. And tomorrow is our flight back to the Philippines. So, shoulder ko na lang talaga. Wala, ganun naman talaga eh. Pero sabi ko, okay. Hong Kong. There will be another event sa Hong Kong, which is Comic Con. Pero that's May pa eh. Sabi ko, sige na nga. Alright, okay. Medyo matagal na yung another 2 months. Sabi ko, miss na nagagamit ko na, di ba? So, yeah. Ayun naman, after I paid ng tax and duties, dumating dito after siguro 2 to 3 days lang. Di ba? Like, so, kaya medyo masama yung loob ko kasi bumayad ako noon. At hindi sana nagka-extra gastos. Di ba? Kung naipadala nila sa akin habang nasa Hong Kong ako. Pero yeah, it is what it is. Eto na. Sui Play 0x1. Eto na. Oh, ha? Nice. Okay. Play 01. Oh, may pa ganun ba? Eto na. Wow. Yeah, so actually, this is not the first time naman na nakagamit ako nito or nagamit ko to. Meron silang display nung sa Dubai, Token 2049. So, nagamit na rin natin to. Na-experience ko na rin how to play on a SuiPlay 0x1 sa Dubai. Pero, actually, hindi ko alam kung what games am I going to play here. Tingnan natin, pag-aralan natin. Okay. So, this is user manual. Okay. Sige, aralin natin yan. Later. Ano pa? I think this is the power brick. Oh. Quick charger. 20 volts. 65 watts charger. Okay. Nice. Fast charging. Uy. Ganda ng details ha. Mayroon pa swi pa talaga sa likod. Okay. Ano to? Hindi siya cables eh. Okay. Adapters. US naman yung default sa atin sa Pilipinas. And this one, I think this is the cable. Sana braided siya. If not, at least sana makapal. And kulay blue or red or navy blue. Ay, black. Sakto makapal naman. Okay, mahaba. I think this is 1.5 meters. Nice. Mahabang cable. Yan. And that is it. Yan. One of the few items na pre-order natin. Ako kasi ayaw talaga ng pre-order as much as possible. Yung nag-aantay na matagal. Kasi, 2 tulog yung pera mo. Although, so, this is limited edition. I think it's only offered sa mga nag-pre-order. I don't know if there's any other perks of pre-ordering this. So, yeah, that is quick unboxing of this Sui Play. Actually, kaya ako siya binuksan is para malaman ko kung kakasya siya dun sa bibili kong bag. Kasi syempre, dadalhin ko ito pag travel habang nasa flight ka, ganon. Charging port, by the way, nasa ilalim. And then may headphone jack. Yeah. Speakers. I think this is a microphone. I think speaker grill or or vent. Air vent. Another set of ports here. Volume, think power. You know. So how to turn this on? Pindutin lang natin dito. Press and hold, I believe. Drain siya. Dumating. Okay, I think it's drained. So, yeah. Charge muna natin. And then, yan. So, balitaan ko yun dito sa initial thoughts ko dito kay Sui Play 0x1. Web3 gaming console. This is actually an impulse buy. Ang alam ko lang or ang iniisip ko lang is through possible airdrops in the future, mabibreak even ko yung binabayad ko nito. And then, kumita pa eventually. So, maging asset siya instead of a liability. So, yeah. It's a risk. I know. But, yeah. Well, at least kung hindi man. It's a gaming console. So, I can play with it.